Definition of a system. In this video, we are going to see about definition of a system. Introduction. Due to rapid advancement in technology, our society has changed from an industrial to an information society. Information is an important resource just like any other physical resource such as men, materials, machines, and money. Today, information systems are the backbones of any organization. Information systems have created such an impact on the organizations that it has almost become impossible for organizations to survive without an information system. Definition of a system. System may be defined as a group of two or more interrelated components or subsystems that serve a common purpose. A system is an integrated set of components or entities that interact to achieve a particular function or goal. A system may be a part of a larger system and at the same time may have its own subsystems. The system receives input from the environment, processes the inputs, and offers output as per procedure laid down. A business is also a system. A business uses resources such as manpower, capital, materials, and facilities to achieve the goal of making profit. Business procedures such as order handling, market research, financial planning, and manufacturing are the interactions that need to be managed to achieve this objective. We can use this definition of system to understand as to how it applies to business and information systems such as multiple components. A system must contain more than one part. For example, a kite attached to a string is a system. Without the string, it is not a system. Relatedness. Common purpose relates the multiple parts of the system. If a particular component does not contribute to the common goal, then it is not part of the system. However, for the reason that they lack a common purpose and thus do not form a system. The processing takes place as per the procedure laid down. For example, a university represents a subsystem of the overall education system of the country. This subsystem has its own subsystems such as teaching system, library system, examination system, etc. The university has its defined goals. The individual goals of the subsystem, they are teaching system, library system, examination system, etc. may be different but have to be in line with the common goals of the university system as a whole. The common goals of the university system need to be in harmony with the goals of education system of the country as a whole. Procedures are required to be set up not only for processing but also for feedback and control for effective functioning of systems. Types of system. In this video, we are going to see about types of system. The frame of reference within which one views of a system is related to the use of the system's approach for analysis. As you know, human and a computer program can be described as system terms, but they are quite different. There are several ways of classifying systems that emphasize these differences. The common classifications are as follows. Physical and abstract systems. Physical systems are tangible entities that may be static or dynamic in operation. For example, the physical parts of the computer center are the computers, desks, chairs, etc. that facilitate operations of the computer. Abstract systems are conceptual and non-physical entities. There may be formulas of relationship among sets of variables or models, software or program that are abstract conceptualization of physical situations. Deterministic and probabilistic systems. A deterministic system works with certainty in a predictable manner. The interaction among its subsystems is known in advance. One state of a system determines the next state of the system, which enables a system to operate in error-free manner. An example is a computer system which works on the principle GIGO, that is garbage in, garbage out, that is correct input program will produce correct output. A probabilistic system operates with uncertainty, as certain degree of error is always attached to the prediction of what the systems will do. For example, in student admission, system in a college is probable in nature. Because the number of students called for under certain cutoff is uncertain, that how many of them will turn up for admission, will there be second cutoff list or not, cannot be predicted in advance. Open and closed systems. Open systems operate in an external environment and exchange information and material with that environment. An open system interfaces and interacts with other systems. The external environment consists of the activities external to the system boundary with which the system can interact. An open system needs to receive feedback to change and to continue to exist in its environment. For example, a marketing system, which is an open system, operates in an environment of competition. If a competitor introduces new technology by providing customers with online order entry terminals, the marketing function must adapt to the change in environment or remain at a competitive disadvantage. The same type of adjustment is necessary when a mobile phone operator offers a new scheme such as free connection. Though the new service may temporarily give the mobile operator a competitive advantage, the other mobile operator companies soon follow suit and offer a similar scheme. Subsystems are always open systems, as they are components of a larger system and they receive information from and give information to other subsystems. A closed system stands alone. It does not have any connection to another system. Closed systems do not get the feedback they need from the external environment and tend to deteriorate. For example, if a training program administrator does not respond to the needs of the business environment for trained graduates, students may no longer be available to get jobs and may go elsewhere for training. Eventually, the training program may be discontinued. Need of an efficient information system. In this video, we are going to see about need of an efficient information system. Due to advances in technology, our society has changed from an industrial to an information society. Enterprises are provided with opportunities to enhance their productivity in several areas by consolidating their information resources. Information is an important resource, just like other physical resources such as capital, men, material, and machines. An efficient information system creates an impact on the organization's functions, performance, and productivity. Any organization needs an efficient information system due to the following reasons. Information systems create an impact on the organization's functions. With a good information support, the management of finance, production, marketing, and personnel becomes more efficient. Information systems help in easy tracking and monitoring of functional targets. Moreover, information system provides timely information regarding the progress, achievements, and deviations in the activity and targets to the functional managers. Information systems create a database and knowledge base for all the people in the organization. Information available can be readily used. This saves the managers precious time. Information systems bring clarity in communication because all information systems use a dictionary describing the terms and terminology. Information systems help in improving the administration of a business by streamlining operations and by bringing a discipline in its operations, as everybody in the organization is forced to follow and use systems and procedures. Streamlining of operations and use of systems and procedures also brings a high degree of professionalism in the business operations. Information systems have a major impact on the efficiency of managers. The tools and techniques of information systems enable the managers to do various types of experiments which are impossible to be done manually. The managers may use their analytical skill and knowledge with the information support. Information systems create an information-based work culture within an organization. Information systems provide facilities to analyze data and offer decision support systems to perform the task of execution. This action-oriented information improves the quality of decisions. Major types of systems in organizations on the basis of organizational levels. In this video, we are going to see about major types of systems in organizations on the basis of organizational levels. The information needs of business enterprises are dependent on the nature of business function or activities, types of decision making, level of management. Different information systems are developed to satisfy the information needs of an organization. A single system cannot provide all the information needed in an organization. These information systems may be developed separately for different functions in an organization such as finance, production, marketing, human resources, etc. Alternatively, the different systems may have a common structure useful to each of the functions. Based on this, the various information systems can be divided into following categories: operational level information system, tactical level information system, strategic level information system. These systems have been explained in detail below. Operational level information systems. Operation support systems support the business operations by processing data generated by and used in business operations. These systems produce information products for internal and external use. Their main objective is to efficiently process business transactions, control industrial processes, support enterprise communications and collaboration, and update corporate databases. Operational level management's main objective is to ensure effective and efficient use of existing facilities and resources to carry out activities within budget constraints. The operational level information systems are developed to cater to the information needs of managers at the operational level to monitor the elementary activities and transactions of an organization. Operational level information systems are able to respond to both individual transactions and summaries of transactions. These systems support routine decision making. They focus on structured decisions for which information requirements are very clear. The database for operational level information systems contains primarily internal data generated from transactions, and data items are generally current, for example, inventory levels, production levels, etc. Tactical level information systems. Tactical level information systems can also be termed as management support systems. Management support systems support the managerial decision making by providing information and support for effective decision making by managers. Tactical level management's main objective is to formulate operating policies and procedures for the guidance of managers at operational level. Tactical level information systems serve the monitoring, controlling, decision-making, and administrative activities of managers at middle level in an organization. Most of the information systems at tactical level generally provide periodic reports from internal databases to measure performance, decide on control actions, formulate new decision rules to be applied by operational managers, and allocate resources. But at times, these systems can provide reports like industry comparison and cost indices from external data. Tactical level information systems tend to focus on semi-structured decisions for which information requirements are not very clear. These systems help the middle management in dealing with what-if instruction problem situations. They have the capability to support ad hoc data analysis as well as decision-making activities. These systems tend to improve the decision-making process of semi-structured decisions by answering to queries such as what would be the impact of promotional campaign on the sales of the company and what would be the inventory levels to be maintained if the sales are doubled. To answer such questions, these systems require most of the data from internal databases as well as data from external sources. Strategic level information system. Strategic information systems are installed to seize opportunities. Strategic information system helps an organization to achieve a long-term competitive advantage. Strategic information systems apply information technology to an organization's products, services, or business processes to help it gain a strategic advantage over its competitors. These systems deal with decisions that significantly change the manner in which business is being done. The examples of strategic decisions are introducing a new product line, expanding the business by acquiring supporting businesses, etc. The main objective of strategic level management is to define the goals, policies, and general guidelines charting course for the organization. The decisions made at strategic level have long-range considerations and the time horizon is future. Strategic level information systems tend to focus on unstructured decisions for which most of the information is required from external sources in aggregate form. These systems help the top management to address and tackle strategic issues and long-term trends both within and outside the organization. These information systems are developed to support the long-range planning activities of managers at the top level. Much of the data required for strategic planning cannot be collected on a regular basis, and much of it cannot be specified in advance because scope of the information required for strategic planning is very wide and is used very infrequently. The three types of information systems discussed above may be developed specially for each functional area such as marketing, finance, production, human resources, etc. As the activities and information processing of the three levels of management are interrelated, the three types of information systems can be developed for each functional area. For example, inventory control system at operational level may involve accurate processing of transactions at the tactical level. Decisions made about safety stock and reorder frequency are dependent on correct summarization of results of operation at the strategical level. Results in operation and tactical level are related to strategic objective, competitive behavior, and so forth to arrive at inventory strategy.